can I buy some candy?
We only have money for food. I'll get you candy next time.
Huh?
That'll be $100, sir.
Here you go.
Thank you. Hey!
Yes, ma'am?
It's nothing.
Okay.
That kid clearly stole a piece of candy.
Come on, it's just one candy. Just forgive him this once.
Sorry to bother you.
Is there something else you need?
My son took a piece of candy without paying. I don't have money for it, so I'd like to leave this carton of milk instead.
It's okay. You don't need to pay anything.
No. Thank you for your kindness, but this is still wrong. Abby, say sorry. If you don't apologize, I'll do it for you. I'm truly sorry.
Dad, I'm sorry for stealing the candy. I'll never do it again.
Like and subscribe.
If you think this dad is a great role model.